Hey everybody, as promised, here's a little description of the talent show video. I really don't have a talent. Well, maybe I do, but I'm not going to show it today. Although I will say that this is a really cool rolly chair. So you can see how videos can be made very easily on your phone. I'm using selfie mode right now, and I can put this on TikTok, show how loose my neck is. No, I'm just goofing around, but the video is very simple, 1 minute. Show me something that you're interested in. Show us something, I guess I could say, because this video will be played for the rest of the class. Show us something that you're interested in. Show us something that you like, that you're proud of. 1 minute only. I'm pretty sure I'm way over 1 minute. Oh no, 43 seconds. I got a little bit more time to do. So I'm gonna go back to cleaning off some memory sticks, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great time. Bye-bye. 3 more seconds. There we go.